So hello guys, so now I'm going to create a simple app by using Ollama. Okay, so what is Ollama? Here you can see what is Ollama. So here I'm going to search what is Ollama. Okay, so Ollama is free open source tool that allow you to run large language model like Llama 3 and CodeNidhi directly on your computer. Okay, so we can download it in our local machine, and we can run model huge model like which has huge size like a llama 3, llama 3 DeepSeek. So we can locally use in our computer, in our machine. Okay, so key features and benefits you can see here. Local LLM execution. Ollama enable you to run powerful LLM on your local machine. Okay. Simplicity. It simplify the complex process of working with the LLM by packaging into accessible, easy to use module, and that can be downloaded and run in a with simple command. Okay. And this is and in customization you can tailor and fine tune model for specific application through the simple configuration file. Okay, so here you can see EG implement API integration and data control and privacy and reduce the latency. Okay, so here how does it work? So download and install Ollama. Okay, in your computer. So here how do you download? So you need to search download Ollama. Okay, here you can see this website. You need to go there. Here you can download Ollama. Okay, after downloading you got okay, you got some file name is Ollama setup.exe. Okay, so this one you need to install this file in your laptop, and after installing you need to click, and after finishing this you have this icon from your I mean you have this icon in your machine like this. Okay, you can check here, you can go and check here. So that means we have installed Ollama in our machine. Okay, and after that how to run Ollama. So you can put how this command, which command we can go on GitHub. So here you can see these are the models provided by Ollama. Gemma 3 1 billion parameter, and this is the size, and you can download by using this. Okay, so you need to run this command here. Where? Okay, so here like this, control V Ollama run Gamma 3 1 billion parameter. Okay, so I have already download Gamma 2. Okay, and DeepSeek. So you can download by using this command. Okay, and then you can use in your code these models. Okay, like if you want to use embedding model, then you can use, if you have a text model requirement in your project, then you can use text related model. So here these are the models: QWQ, DeepSeek, Llama 4, Phi, Mistral. Okay, so here we can also check Llama models. Ollama models. Okay, sorry. So this is the website ollama.com hyphen library hyphen llama. So this gives only llama. I am going back. So here we can see Ollama model. I'm going to search again. So this is the library. Okay, so we have different model on this page. These are the models: GPT hyphen OS, DeepSeek, embedding Gemma, okay, Quen, DeepSeek, Llama 3.1, Nomic, embed text, Llama 3.2, Mistral. So these are the model. Lava is multimodal. Phi 3. This is the lightweight 3 billion mini and 140 billion medium state of the art open model by Microsoft. Okay, so these are the model you can use according to your requirement. So first of all, you need to download from Ollama. From here, after installing, you have this icon in your machine. Okay, and after that, you need to run model. Here you can see this command Ollama pull, and here you can put model name. So what kind of model, which model you want to use here. So you can uh, give name here, okay, and you can use in your machine. Okay,